Kinong yalam jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Kila lej ban bu jingkerpat hakmat uspika jongka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Bakat kum ka kernit bashpo ban om kentup yaki khat arngut ki MLA ka Seng Congress. Bakila kam yaladi bakila lej eso bat Katrina Mol Congress. Habakren syakilat patai kubor. Kakong amperin lengdo kalapen pau bakaladon kajing syak keli naki babun hakabaya day bat kajing pet ki khat arngut ki MLA batru kajing mi jongka Seng TMC ham Meghalaya. Senior advocate VGT kentaul ong baka kernit bashpo kadon shibun ki AKA ban hapan pej benia shua. Ubak met ba lingdo ubalong ru haju kepor uspika jongka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Ulong bakani kakam kadang don hapreng kajing bishar bat on ompat shemla pentikna laki ni ki khat arngut ki MLA kila dain M ki MLA jongka Seng TMC. Ulong ru baya kani kakam ka office jongka assembly kan sa perkhat sani shua. Kinong yalam jongka Seng Congress kila ongru bakani ka jingkerpat ka dairu kalat na ka office jong uspika bakan kemi biang ya kani ka benta ka baya day bat kani ka an kentiap Seng bat ki ongru balada ka office jong uspika kamla ban lei kimban se ban ra syaka kut.
Did Ampreen go? So do not toy around. Who was witness to these meetings? You see, when we say we do not want to toy around anymore, fishing, everybody fishes when the season of fishing is on. But how many fish do you catch on that hook is more important. In this filing of our petition, is to ensure that we give an opportunity also to the Speaker's office to review the 10th schedule and the adaptation of rules of the 10th schedule by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly in the long run, so that the 10th schedule is not being played around by political ploys of this kind. There will never be peace. There will never be strength in governance if every individual groups of people will start tearing down even the 10th schedule. This will be an opportune opportunity for the office of the Honorable Speaker.
When the claim merged with the whole party, the Bapan Singh has already said now because now the case of merger only from here, merger only 12 MHU to the all India Criminal Congress, not with others. Second, even if you use the word split, you split now the main important. We're talking about a split. That's why I think the case is very clear. They will get disqualified all 12. Even the split. If you're talking about the split should be the national level. We are the national party. When the split took place, it should take place in national, not only in local, not only in the state itself. That's why I tell you this. The case is very clear that will disqualify all of the 12. Then the third one which I have already been put forward from our side, because this case will be happening in the future to other political party. We have already informed the Honorable Speaker that from the side of the Congress leadership party, that 5 MLAs, we have took a decision that we will write to him, that he will request him to convene a special session to discuss only for this subject of disqualification. We only request Honorable Speaker to give us a chance before you take a decision. Like we all remember, even during the time of A. Sangma, when he left from the Congress and joined with the NCP, session is there. Even other cases only happen like that. But we request for this case also. But this case also allowed us to present on the floor of the House and discuss and give our point.
Under the provisions of paragraph 6 of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India, read with the provisions of Rule 6 and other provisions of the members of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, disqualification on ground of defection rules 1988. And we have also put up a prayer, and I'll just read the prayer that the office of the Speaker will be pleased to take up such procedural measures as mandated under Rule 7 of the Meghalaya of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly disqualification grounds of defection rules 1988, and to declare the respondents, that is, the member in relation to whom this application has been filed, to have suffered suffered disqualification under the 10th schedule. Like what the party president has indicated earlier, we would not like to disclose too much about our strategy as to how we're going to press further. But according to our legal think tank, we have a very good case, and this will be a very unique case, and we always think that this is a win-win situation.
As TMC member?
No, I'm not. That's what the matter is under examination. So, no comment on anything.
But without your note, how can they declare opposition chief whip?
That is all these nitty-gritties has to be looked into. So we need a proper examination so that the ruling or the decision will be made accordingly.
That means they cannot declare. You have to designate
Who will declare?
the parliamentary party leader, opposition
the
chief whip.
office of the assembly will declare
Not they themselves.
the decision. Yeah, the decision.
So that is illegal. They declared themselves.
Who?
The meeting of the TMC MLAs.
I'm not getting.
The meeting of the TMC MLAs, they
Yes, sir.
decided
Yes, sir.
to elect Mughal Sangma as a CLP leader. Then
Claiming that they have the majority.
George Lingdo as the
Opposition
chief
No,
whip.
that is their internal party matters. I mean, I have nothing to say on that.
So you have to recognize
See,
also.
they can claim, they can do whatever it is.
So
So all these things, are part of the examination. The first and the foremost is the two-third. Two-third, they should have the numbers. That's all. As of now, they have 12 out of 17.
And what are other factors?
I will not say much on this. I have to give me some space so that I will be able to examine the matter thoroughly, and we will inform you.